Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're doing an unboxing. But over the next couple of days before the holiday, I'm going to be purging my collection, and I will do some reviews on a number of pairs before they go, so you can have one last update before they move out of the collection. Today, though, we are looking at a pair of boots. This is the Orem level at Meccariello. Give me a nice pair of socks to go with them, which is very nice. And this is as close to bespoke as you can get. They are made to measure, but I have not been to see him in person to have my measurements taken, but I was able to completely do the design on these myself. I picked the last, I picked the sole, I picked the details and the leathers. And here you can see I'm combining this beautiful pebble grain with this bighorn sheepskin on the top. So that's a natural grain with an embossed grain, but from far away, it'll just look like this racing green with it. So this is with natural light, and then I will turn on some unnatural light so you can see the difference. Got spare laces, which is always nice. And this pair did not come in a wood box like the other pairs from this line. Now, with Meccariello and his Orem collection, he actually does custom boots as well. And then the boots have these beautiful, custom boot trees as well. Now, what's different about when you're working with like a traditional bespoke shoemaker and they do shoe trees, they actually carve the shoe trees for your feet. So they are actually a last of your feet. When you get shoe trees from like an Acme or from several other makers, they may make the shoes to your size, but the trees are not necessarily carved to you. That's one of the things that Antonio does better, and you can see they are exactly right throughout the fit on the boot. Now, a lot of people will wonder why I went with rubber soles, since I really don't like rubber soles. The fact is I just have a lot of leather shoes, and I am going to be investigating making a relatively big move for work. And as that comes to fruition, sometime over the next year, I expect I will need to move. So I'm cutting down the collection significantly as I make that preparation. So in the meantime, I will be keeping track of some great boots and shoes, and we'll be sharing my thoughts on those with you. So these being the top line, you can see the waists are very tight. This is all done by hand. He hand stitches the soles, and he does machine stitch the uppers, but he does hand click everything. I also had him do a Wisconsin Shoe Guy tongue. So as you look at this, he actually dyed it this burgundy color, which is just for me. Again, that's something just for me. Sometimes I've had them do like a different fabric or different things on the tongue. In this case, he actually just dyed. So it uses the pebble grain, but at the top of the tongue, it's a different color. So again, not everybody's taste. That's just for me. And that's the great thing about, the Orem level at Meccariello or any type of bespoke. You can really have whatever your heart desires. So thanks for watching. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and I'm out.